Hello friends, this is Kansas City barbecue style chicken wings with the homemade Alabama white sauce, homemade French fries in beef tallow. Keep watching this video if you want to learn how I made it. I've got the full wing here, got my Japanese knife, and I'm going to separate it. I want to get these wings nice and smoky, so I just wanted to separate these wings and get them prepared. Now that I've got my chicken prepared, I'm going to start spicing it up, and I've got this new trick with baking soda that I want to try. Let's see if this works. I want to get this extra crispy. I'm going to add my Holy Voodoo barbecue spice here, adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder to make this extra crispy. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to use as a binder to get it a little bit crispy. I'm adding my spice, and I'm going to get this all mixed up. Get this nice and coated. I want to get each piece coated. So I've done half of the rub for now, and then I'm going to add the rest of the half into this mix. I'm going to put my chicken on my metal grill, and the reason I'm doing that is I want airflow going around this chicken so we can get it crispy both bottom and the top. I'm doing the 0 to 400 method up to 200 degrees Celsius for about an hour, and this should be crispy. I'm going to start it from cold and let it heat up automatically and let that smoke flavor get into the chicken. Let's close this beast up and start this Traeger. My Traeger IronWood 650 has Wi-Fi, so I'm going to turn this on, I'm going to prime it, and then I'm going to control it from my phone. So it's very simple. To get it primed, I go to auger, I go to prime, and it takes 2 minutes. To start this is very easy. I just push it here, start ignite, and it will come up to temperature. Now it's time to get my potatoes ready. I'm going to start by peeling them. To get this ready, I'm just going to square off my potatoes. I'm going to cut my chips into even lines and get them nicely fried up. Once your potatoes are cut to the size you want, we're going to rinse all the starch off, so put them into a bowl of cold water. You don't want this murky water, you want it nice and clear, so I'm going to rinse this a few times and get all the starch off the chips. Here you can see the water is crystal clear, it's ready to boil. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to the water, and that should make it nice and crispy. I'm going to add some salt for the flavor. You want to boil your potatoes until they're nice, soft and tender. I've got these until they're nice and tender, so now that I've strained the water, I'm going to put it into a dish and I'm going to put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. I've got my beef tallow, I'm going to render it down, and then I'm going to start frying my chips. To get it extra crispy, I'm just going to add a touch of cornstarch, and I'm going to mix it in a little bit so that we can get it nice and crispy when we fry it. Let's fry these chips until golden brown. My fries are looking incredible. I'm going to add some salt into the mix. Give these a shake. This is the perfect French fry. To make my delicious barbecue sauce, I'm going to start off with melted butter. I'm going to add half a chopped onion. I'm going to mince 5 cloves of garlic. Drop that in, I wasn't supposed to. I'm going to mix this in and let this simmer. I'm adding 2 cups of tomato sauce, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of apple juice, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, about 2 tablespoons of honey, and a pinch of salt to taste. Let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until absolutely delicious. My barbecue sauce is ready. Let's get this into the glass dish. For my Alabama white sauce, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, a squeeze of lemon juice, splash of Worcester sauce, splash of Louisiana hot sauce, a little bit of salt to taste, and lastly some black pepper. This Alabama white sauce is absolutely delicious. Goes with chicken, goes with pork, goes with beef. I'm gonna take my crispy chicken wings off. Can't wait to eat these. I've got my beautiful crispy chicken wings. I'm gonna add the homemade barbecue sauce that we made, and we're gonna mix this all up. It's all coated and ready to eat. Take this on here. Everybody to eat. This has been such an incredible cook. I love my Traeger. If you want to order any Traeger products, be sure to check out traegershop.co.za. Use the promo code FATGreek. You get 15% off, and you can use it as many times as you want. I really hope you enjoyed this cook. Be sure to try it at home. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna go taste this now. I know it's gonna be incredible. I really want to taste these chips first in the white sauce. That vinegar is so good. Cheers, everybody. Dankeschön. I'm 100% sure you cannot buy this in a restaurant. I really believe everybody should cook at home. This is incredible. It's just so delicious. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna go chow with my friends. Thanks for watching and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.